Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everybody. Hi Umar class. How are you today? Today we will learn Mathematic Cambridge about even numbers and odd numbers. What is even numbers and what is odd numbers? Let's learn together. Please open your Mathematic Cambridge book, page 32. Yeah. Okay. This is Mathematic Cambridge book, page 32, and the title is Pairs. Yeah. Before we learn about even number, we will learn about pairs. Okay. Let's repeat after me. Pairs, pairs, pairs. What is pairs? Okay, before we learn about pairs, we will look at the pictures. Okay, what pictures are there? Ada gambar apa saja di teman-teman? Okay, I will maximize. Okay, the first picture is eyes. How many eyes are there? 1, 2. Okay, there are 2 eyes. The left eye and the right eye. Mata sebelah kanan dan mata sebelah kiri. Okay. The next picture. What is it? Earrings. Yeah. How many earrings are there? 1, 2. Yeah. There are 2 earrings. The left earrings and the right earrings. Okay. Ada 2 anting-anting. Anting-anting sebelah kanan dan anting-anting sebelah kiri. Ya, dipakai di telinga ya. The next picture is shoes. How many shoes are there? Yeah, 1, 2. Yes. There are 2 shoes, the left shoes and the right shoes. The next picture, gloves. Gloves. There are 2 gloves. The right glove and the left glove. The next picture is hands. Hands. How many hands are there? 1, 2. 2 hands. The right hand and the left hand. Tangan sebelah kanan dan tangan sebelah kiri. And the last picture? Yes, they are twin. Kembaran. Ya, ini kembar. And how many twin are there? Of course, 2. 1, 2. Okay. And these things, ya, these objects, semua benda ini disebut pairs. Apa itu pairs? Pairs itu adalah pasangan, ya, pasangan benda. So, pairs is a set of 2 things which is regarded as a unit, ya. Jadi a set of 2 things regarded as a unit. 2 benda yang dianggap satu kesatuan. Ya. Bendanya ada 2, tapi itu dianggap satu kesatuan. For example, shoes. Ya. Shoes dianggap sepatu itu dianggap satu, tapi bendanya ada berapa? 2. Ya. Mata juga, eyes, ya, ada 2 eyes, tapi dianggap satu. And then earrings, gloves, hands, ya, mereka ada 2, but regarded as a unit. Ya, this is pairs. Ya, okay. And now look at in the corner. We have even numbers. What is the relation about between even numbers and pairs? Yeah, even numbers is a number divisible by 2. Ya, jadi even numbers itu adalah angka yang bisa dibagi 2. Ya. Kalau yang pairs tadi angka satu benda yang dua benda yang dianggap satu berpasangan. Jadi satu benda yang terdiri dari dua sepasang itu pairs. Kalau even numbers, the number divisible by 2, angka yang bisa dibagi 2, ya, habis dibagi 2. Kalau dibagi 2 habis. For example, 4 is even numbers. Let's divide it by 2. Kita bagi dua-dua ya. 1, 2. Kita tekuk, and then 1, 2. Kita tekuk. Habis, ya. Coba kalau 5. 1, 2. Kita bagi 2. 1, 2. Kita tekuk. Yes, masih sisa 1. Berarti it is not even number. Ya, jadi even number itu dalam bahasa Indonesia adalah bilangan genap. Ya, sudah paham sampai sini? Nah, apa saja itu bilangan genap dalam matematika? Okay, even numbers are numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and etc. dan seterusnya. Ya. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Ya, masih ada 12, 14, and so on. Dan selanjutnya. Itu adalah even numbers. Bilangan genap. Ya, bilangan yang habis dibagi 2. Kalau dibagi 2 habis, bisa dibagi 2. Oke. And next, we will learn about odd numbers. Okay. Look at the picture. What is it? It is music instruments, alat musik, and it's called triangle. Ya, nama alat musiknya triangle karena bentuknya triangle, segitiga. There are 3 corners. Ya, ada 3 pojokan segitiga, 3 sudut. Ya, 1, 2, 3. Okay. And now look at this. How many fingers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, there are 5 fingers. And now, they are football players. How many football players are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And next picture, bicycle. How many tires are there? 1, 2, 3. And the others? Flowers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is 3, 5, 11, 3, 5. Okay, look at this. There are some cubes there. There are some cubes. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. They are odd numbers. Ya. Jadi selain even numbers, ya, itu adalah odd numbers. Bilangan ganjil. Bilangan yang tidak bisa dibagi 2. Okay, let's learn more about even numbers and odd numbers. Okay, look at the numbers. There are some numbers here from 1, 2, 3 until 10. And let's check it. Number one is odd number or even numbers. Odd number or even numbers. Okay, let's check it. Okay, number 1 is odd number. Okay, dihafalkan ya, odd number angka berapa saja dihafalkan. Number 1 is odd number. The next, number 2 is even number. Ya, after odd always even. This is the trick. Ya, triknya adalah setelah ganjil mesti genap. Setelah genap mesti ganjil. So after even, the trick must odd number. Bilangan ganjil. Okay, number 4, yes, even number. Number 5, how about number 5? Odd number. After even, odd. After odd, always even. So 6 is even. Okay. And then 7, odd. And then 8, even. 9, odd. 10, even. Okay. There are the sequences ya, urutannya seperti ini. Odd, even, odd, even, odd, even. So the odd number is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, yeah, and then 11. Yeah, after even, always odd. And then the even numbers is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. Okay? Sudah paham teman-teman even numbers and odd numbers, bilangan genap dan ganjil? Kita akan berlatih lagi ya. Silahkan do your worksheet. Ya, kalian sudah punya worksheetnya ya, ini ya. Oke. Perintahnya adalah color the odd numbers red and even numbers green. Ya, warnai bilangan ganjil dengan warna merah dan bilangan genap dengan warna hijau. Ya, for example, kita lihat ya angkanya ada 2 bilangan nih, 12. Kalau ada 2 bilangan gini gimana, Miss? Lihat bilangan paling belakang, 12. What is the last number? The last number is yes, 2. 2 even number or odd number? Even number or odd number? Yes, even number. So 12 is even number. Ya, sebagai contoh ya, an even number the color is green. Okay, let's color green even number. Okay, green. Okay. Next example, for example, this 11. Yeah, look at the last number. 11. The last number is 1. 1 is even number or odd number. Ya, 1 bisa di bilangan genap atau bilangan ganjil. Ya, bilangan ganjil ya, karena tidak punya pasangan ya. Kalau bilangan genap itu selalu punya pasangan dan bisa dibagi 2. Ya, bisa because number 1 is there is no pairs, ya, tidak berpasangan. Ya, jadi 11 is odd number. Odd number tadi diwarnai apa teman-teman? Red. Kita warnai red ya. Nah, yang lainnya silahkan diwarnai sesuai perintah ya. Diwarnai sesuai angkanya. Yang odd numbers red and even numbers green. Ya, bilangan ganjil diwarnai dengan warna merah. Dan bilangan genap diwarnai dengan warna green, hijau. Okay, everybody, we have learned about even numbers and odd numbers. Okay. I hope all of you are understand about even number and odd numbers. And please do the worksheet and send the photo of the worksheet to our portal. Okay, thank you for today. See you next week. See you tomorrow. Okay. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye.